I fall on my face, your fault.
I believe I'm the one that told you that I'm the one that should do this. You realize this is going on YouTube, right?
How do you do this? I don't get the concept of the hop.
My left leg goes up. That would be your right leg. My left leg goes up. Let me explain fully before you attempt to follow instructions. My left leg goes up.
That's this one.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I use that to throw my entire body over the bar. I'm not lifting one leg up after that.
Does this like go over or
It doesn't really matter because by the time it gets up there, both my feet are off the bar.
Oh God.
Because you're throwing your entire body over.
Sure about this?
Oh no, actually I should do it.
Okay. Do you like hop?
Yep.
Like hop and then use muscles?
Yep, muscles.
Gonna go get the ball.
I hope so.
Scared. Scared of breaking my cooch.
Don't break that.
I want that for later.
Yep,
Okay.
YouTube.
Ready? Okay. This is gonna be a horrible attempt. Here I go. I'm so okay. Don't close your eyes. No.
You know what's even better? Getting back across the fence. Is that your left leg?
Yes! I can tell left from a right. Are you videotaping again?
I never stopped.
Okay.
How about on the count of 3?
I don't know how to count.
Okay, I'll count for you. How about on the count of 10? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Why are you holding on? Kick over.
You distracted me.
Wasn't like that.
No, you wouldn't.
Nothing distracting from this side.
God. Okay.
I'm liking the thigh though.